Hello, this is a demonstration of how to use the registration system of the FairKit administration platform for the Broward County Regional Science Fair. So as you can see here, on the left side, we'll be going over how the teacher will see everything. And on the right side, we'll see how the student is going to work through it. So we'll begin with the teacher side. So for now, ignore the right-hand panel and ignore the student side. So prior to registration, you'll be emailed you already have, and you already should have an email address and access code, which will be sent to you by our team. So this access code is how you get into the system. So you take the sample email address, you put that there, and the access code, you put that there. If by chance you forget your access code, you can click this button, or in case it's like lost in your email, click that button and our team will get to you. And if you have any other questions, feel free to click request assistance and it will take you to one of our team members. Once you click sign in, it will take you to the teacher's portal, which has the dashboard for all the information for the fair, and it gives you certain links that you'll need for more information. You'll be able to click this support button down here if you need to contact a organizer or one of our team members. So to begin, you click this add student button here, and you'll be able to add students here. So this is where you take all the members of your roster and you put them here by manually adding them. So you click add student and you'll be able to put in the email that the student has provided you. Prior to registration, you should have these emails from your student. So you paste the email here and you click submit, and our system will automatically generate an access code or password for the student. And this will be sent to the student once it's there, or it's up to you to send this information to your student. This will not be done by the FairKit team. So simply contact your student and provide them with the access code so that they can get into our system. So once you have the access code ready, it's up to the student now to take their email and their login. So the email will be their email address, and the access code will be represented here, and the student will use that. The student can do the same thing as the teachers. They can click forgot access code, and they can also click request assistance. But the student will click sign in here, and it will bring them to the student's main page. So for now, let's ignore the left-hand panel and take a look at the right-hand side. Here, the student will be able to enter in their personal information and make sure that they have all the fields ready. So we'll put in the first name, we'll put the last name there, and we'll put the student's personal email address. We'll say John. So their grade level, we can just say 6th grade, and we'll say their gender is male. We'll say their t-shirt size is small. For school, we're going to put Broward Virtual School, and then the student will be able to click 2 types of project types. They'll be able to either create a project or join a project. Create a project can be done by individuals or team projects, but join a project will only be able to be done by team projects. We'll have another video on how to create a team project. So please ignore this for now. So once you click create project, it will take you to this menu here, which you'll be able to enter in your information about the project. So we'll put the project title here, and we'll put the link to the video here as well. So this is up to the student. The student will pre-record and upload a video to YouTube, and they can place the link here, and this is going to get them registered towards the system. The student can also then pick a category. So we'll click animal sciences, and the student will then be able to open award descriptions for special award qualifications. It is up to the student's discretion to choose these open awards, and make sure that they are qualified for them. Should a student not be qualified for a special award, they will be removed from consideration. Additionally, a student can only choose 2 special awards. So the student simply goes to open award descriptions, where they'll see a large file of all the special awards and their designations. The student has to match the requirements, which will be seen either here, here, and here. They're all dependent on certain information about the student, and it's up to the student to make sure that they match those fields. So this student, for example, will choose this award, and they'll choose this award. So once they've done that, they click save. Just a quick reminder, once you click save, the project will be locked and you can no longer make edits to this form. And project registration will close on January 22nd. So once you click save, If we take a look at the teacher side very quickly, it will update with the student's name and the student's grade level, as well as other information about the student. And if we go into projects, you'll see the John Doe's information is already here. Now, John can go back as we get closer to Fair Day and enter in more information about their project, especially with file uploads. So in this case, John Doe will take their sample PDF, and it's going to be any files you'll need for the project, and they'll drop it in here. Once they've done that, it'll be updated to the database, and the teachers can view these files. So you can see here, John Doe does science, and the sample PDF is here. So say John makes some quick changes to their project. So they'll simply remove this file and it will remove it from the database. And then they can add in their new file that will bring them back with the new updated content. So once you've done that, the student can always go to the support button down here for any additional assistance with the FairKit team or the organizers of this fair. And the teachers can also do the same thing using the support button. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us via email at contact@fairkit.io or visit our website, www.fairkit.io. Thank you.